Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to unpair Bluetooth earphones to a Technophone. Guys, you want to unpair this earphone to your Technophone, so guys you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth earphone in a Technophone mobile. Guys, in this video guys I am going to show you guys. So then first of all, come in your phone setting to unpair. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your more connection setting. So guys tap here and guys click on your Bluetooth setting. So as you can see we have paired this earphone. So as you can see this right side setting option to unpair, tap here and guys you can see your disconnect and forget options. So we will click on this forget option to unpair. Then guys this earphone will unpair to your Technophone. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphones to a Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.